Come on board a free city fisherman seated while the tram is moving. Please be reminded also to wear a mask during this entire ride. Thank you.
Welcome to Jurong Bird Park, home to over 3,500 birds representing more than 400 species, many of which are endangered. Sit back and enjoy your journey into the colorful world of birds. Here at the bird park, there's so much to see and do. Be sure to catch the shows and keepers chit-chat sessions to learn more about our feathered jewels. The Pool's Amphitheater to your right features the High Flyers Show at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. You are certain to be awed by an exhilarating lineup of bird stars and free-flying performances. Coming up on your left are the bright red scarlet ibises. They are fed a special diet which helps maintain the color of their plumage. To your right is Wetlands, home to the black-faced hornbill and other birds dependent on some of the world's most rapidly disappearing habitats. Spend some quiet time bird watching from the viewing gallery, designed to simulate an observation hide. To your right is the Royal Ramble, home of pigeons, the world's largest and most beautiful pigeons. They are native to Papua New Guinea and Irian Jaya. To your left are the hornbills and toucans. These birds have impressive oversized bills. Enjoy a close encounter with the hornbill during Keeper's Chit Chat at 11:45 a.m. daily. Windows on Paradise to your right is home to some of the most beautiful birds on earth. The birds of paradise are known for their courtship displays, which includes dances and calls. We are about to make our first stop at Tram Station 2. Visit African Treetops, where you meet the attractive starlings and turacos. Or take a short stroll to see one of the world's rarest raptors, the Philippine eagles. Remember to take all your belongings with you and keep your tickets for the next part of the journey. Thank you.
We're heading off to Tram Station 3, Waterfall, Aviary.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back on our tram ride. You're now off to visit Waterfall Aviary, the largest walking aviary in our park. To your left, the birds of prey. Here, you will find the majestic Philippine eagle, the tallest and one of the largest eagles in the world. Their talons are so strong, they can lift a monkey off a tree. Besides their sharp talons, birds of prey are also known for their superb eyesight and strong beaks. Catch other birds of prey in action at the Kings of the Sky show at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily at the Hawk Arena. Get up close to the cheeky lorries at Lorry Loft on your right. To have them eating right out of your hands, purchase a couple lorry fees. All proceeds go towards wildlife conservation in the region. Chill out at Bird Discovery Center and step into the fascinating world of birds. Did you know all modern day birds are descendants of dinosaurs? With their height and long legs, the birds you see on your left, the saddlebill, crown cranes, and flightless cassowary, certainly resemble the well-known dinosaur ball, the Tyrannosaurus rex. To your right, Pelican Cove. Join us for Keeper's Chit Chat at 2 p.m. daily. We are now approaching the Waterfall Aviary. Go bird watching in the aviary and try to spot as many birds as you can. Participate in a feeding session to enjoy a close encounter with the hornbills and their feathered friends. Be sure to visit the world's first man-made waterfall for photo opportunities. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have arrived at Tram Station 1. Remember to take all your belongings with you and keep your tickets for the next part of the journey. Thank you.
They're heading off the tram station for Paradise.
Welcome back on board. We're now heading to Parrot Paradise, where you will meet some of the world's rarest parrots, such as the hyacinth macaw from Brazil and the blue-throated macaw from Bolivia. From our side of the globe, there are the red-tailed black and salmon-crested cockatoos. Come learn about these threatened species and how we are helping to save parrots in the region. Did you know parrots are highly intelligent and can mimic sounds? Catch them in action at the High Flyers Show at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. at Pools Amphitheater. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have arrived at Tram Station 4. Remember to take all your belongings with you and keep your tickets for the next part of the journey. Thank you.
And we're heading back to Tram Station 1.
Welcome back on our tram ride. We are now heading back to Tram Station 1. Look to your right. These birds with huge beaks are pelicans. They use their large talons to scoop fish and enter the water before swallowing them. Watch them in action to the coolest event. Can you guess which bird has won the title for being the supermodel of the bird world? That's right, it is the flamingo. The Flamingo Lake is home to nearly 200 greater flamingos. In the wild, flamingos live in large flocks of up to 10,000. The lodge overlooking Flamingo Lake can be booked for seminars, parties, and team building events. Now get ready for big splashes of fun at Birds of Play on your left, where kids can spread their wings and play to their heart's content. Coming up on your left is Hawk Arena, where you can watch the Kings of the Sky show at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily. Find out what goes into caring for eggs and chicks at the Breeding and Research Center. Each year, our bird nannies hand-raise more than 100 chicks, including the critically endangered birdie miner and blue-coated macaw. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have come to the end of the tram ride. Please alight on your right when the tram comes to a complete stop. Thank you and have fun exploring the rest of the park. Welcome to Jurong Garden, home to over 3,500 birds representing more than 400 species in your rich sit back. That's right, it is the Flamingo. The Flamingo Lake is home to nearly 200 greater flamingos. In the wild, flamingos live in large flocks of up to 10,000. The lodge overlooking Flamingo Lake can be booked for seminars, parties, and team building events. Now get ready for big splashes of fun at Birds of Play on your left, where kids can spread their wings and play to their heart's content. Coming up on your left is Hawk Arena, where you can watch the Kings of the Sky show at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily. Find out what goes into carrying your eggs and chicks at the Reading and Research Center. Each year, our bird nanny hand-raised more than 100 chicks, including the crispy and vintage Mana as we reported before. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have come to the end of the tram ride. There's a light on your right when the tram comes to a complete stop.